Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this is the Dorman Radiator Fan. We have it here as a replacement to go ahead and pop into my car. I've got it already assembled on a new fan clutch. So this particular model is the Dorman 620-112 radiator fan, and this fits into a variety of makes and models, but you do want to make sure that it fits yours, so you'll have to check on that. I have a 2004 Land Rover Discovery 2, and this fit in there perfectly. We did have to have the proper installation tool to remove the old fan and replace it with this new fan. But because we had that tool, this job was really simple to do. So this is definitely a high quality fan. It definitely feels like it's going to last a long time. And as soon as we got it in, it functioned properly and we have had no issues with it at all. Definitely made from premium materials, durable, and I think it's gonna be a great part for my car to keep it going. So if you're looking for a radiator fan, then I would definitely check out this one. And that's my point of view.